So, the last time we was in the mall, we made this video. And now we're back again. Ironically, me and Ollie have caught a bit of a cold, so we're going to be sneezing, out-sneezing each other in different shops. Who's going to sneeze the loudest? Probably me. I'm the goat of sneezing, but Ollie, you know this kid's loud, man. Anyway, we're in the ting. We're going to start. Enjoy.
A bit.
So, Ollie, who's going to set the tone, me or you?
You're going to have to go first, boy.
Oh, okay.
I'll try and top it.
Alright, boy, you already know the shit. Let's give like an example of how we sneeze, so it has to be a bit like it's got to be like really loud. Okay, it's gonna be good.
Alright, first shot, we're both going to have a go. We're in Poundland.
Are we gonna both do it in the
let's go.
same shop, or is it you do one shop, I do one
I
shop?
reckon we both do it in the same shop, and then we'll go somewhere else.
Gotcha.
Sweet. Here's Cam. Oh, that was pretty good. I don't think anyone saw us.
Okay, Ollie is up now. Oh, that sucked, I won that.
Right, here's Cam. We're in TJ Hughes. Oh, that was pretty good. I don't know how much you could have heard because it was pretty far away.
Right, Ollie is going off to do his one now. Right, we're getting some funny looks. It's like no one's ever heard us sneeze before.
Exactly.
We're now going to go into shops individually and we're just going to do it then. You can really show off our energy then.
Easy.
Yeah.
Cam's turn. How did no one look? That was crazy, that.
Oh, I wonder where Ollie is. What? I'll do it in a minute. Oh, I wonder where Ollie's gone.
Oh, look at this guy. He's right there. Oh my god, that was so loud.
Achoo! Okay, here comes
Right, we've got one left to do each. We've got to make it really, really loud. Let's go.
This would be a really good video idea. The classic cocktail Bible. I know a few man them that want to be in this video. There's so many we can do. It explains how you make them and all. That'd be fun. My mum will want to be in that team. You already know what I'm saying. Would this be a good video? Yeah,
that's pretty good,
Should we do it? Yeah. We should set that up soon. We should actually set that up soon. Okay, it's the finale. Me and Ollie are gonna do one more together, and then that'll be that. Yeah, one more together. Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Right, admittedly that last one wasn't that good, but we're in a rush.
Yeah,
We've got
alright.
stuff to do.
Yeah.
We've got stuff to film for you. Like, you already know how it is. We will be back next week. We're keeping active, staying on the trend. You know how it is. 800 subscribers.
800,
as well.
yeah,
That's
we're
good.
going
On
up,
the road to
going up.
900. But don't forget to like and subscribe as
Yeah.
usual. Please subscribe. Most of you are watching aren't even subscribed. Like, come on. But,
Follow the Instagram at Tech9DP.
and we'll see you next week.
See you in a bit.
Bye.
In a bit.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Post me a pic, finna make me a profit. When the liquor hit, then the bitch get toxic.
Why the fuck you in the club when niggas wild?
I've been lit since brunch, that shit. Order 42 for the table, let's pop shit. Missionaire or doggy style on my top shit. Pussy ass niggas hating on me from the closet. Hoes tryna call me a snake, shit, I guess I can